So this is part 2 of my weight loss tips. So this is a container that I am replacing my regular lunch with, as you can see, half cup of oats, and it has chia seed pudding made with 2 spoons of chia seed and 1 cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk also. And then frozen berries. This one has raspberry, blueberries, and cherries. This is all frozen, and I added a handful of almonds, so that soaks overnight in the pudding, and it doubles the protein. And it has some hazelnuts, it has some tangerines. You can add any fruits you want. I also recommend half of a banana for those who are taking medications for blood pressure, and it has potassium deficiency. That is an easy way. I wouldn't use the full banana because of the higher calorie. 1 cup of oats is included in here, which gives you 300 calories. As of how many calories are in a cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of plain oatmeal contains 300 calories and also has 56 grams of carbohydrate for our fuel and energy, 10 grams of muscle building protein. And that doesn't even include the nutrients you can gain from adding all these toppings that I mentioned. So if you are using cooked oatmeal, make sure you know that cooked oatmeal contains 154 calories, 27 grams is carb, and 4 grams is from fiber. This is based on the US Department of Agriculture. The reason cooked oats have fewer calories because we are adding the water or milk content. So another thing to look is on oats itself. Do you use rolled oats or old-fashioned oats? Old-fashioned is also called as rolled oats. They are flat and flaky, and they absorb more water, and they actually cook faster than the steel cut oats, which is usually takes about 5 minutes. And the oats of choice are, you can use granola bars, you can use that in cookies and muffins. This is replacing my lunch. For the morning for breakfast, some people use this as a breakfast option, but I chose to use this for my lunch because for my breakfast I used 2 eggs. I made an omelet with 2 eggs, and because it has 148 calories, roughly as same as eating 2 apples. So that gives me the calcium, the vitamin D, and the protein in the morning. And then in between, I ate 1 cucumber, 2 strawberries, and a handful of cherry tomatoes. That's my mid-morning snack. Now let me go back to the oats again. When you eat oats every day, your GI tract, because it's a prebiotic food, it's not a probiotic, it's a prebiotic food, and has beta glucan fiber that helps feed the good bacteria in your GI tract. And that fiber also helps to keep you feeling full, like gives you the satiety feeling and slows down the digestion, and also contributes to keeping bowel movements regular. So a healthy gut means decreases the risk for diseases and inflammation, and then that also helps with nutrients that is required for our nutrition.